Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Mr. Fadli Sirait. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Andrianto with number student college 4142111023. In this time, in this part, I will explain about my research proposal that entitled as Analysis of the Best Location Selection of Distributed Generation to Minimize Power Loss. So if we see in the background or in introduction, every electricity distribution has power loss. So every industry have problem with enhancement the power loss system, bus voltage drop, unbalanced load, and produce stability problem. Every industry want to have a little of power loss, so the electricity consumption in every areas have lower than before. In my industry, especially in my industry, we always meeting about the electric consumption. Electric consumption usually uh, the result from the power loss. So something that the produce from the our industry is not efficient because too much electric consumption that we consume, but the cost that we should pay is too high, and the electric consumption is the highest cost that industry should pay. The industry want to reduce it. Besides, the electric consumption usually due to on the power loss, so the industry has lower efficiency. So, one of the solution to reduce power loss in the system distribution is add some distributed generation in the right place. Why we should uh, add a distributed generation? Because the distributed generation usually used to reduce the power loss from the transmission in distribution system uh, from the from the cogen. But beside that, the distributed generation has to installed in the right place, so the power loss that we lost is to just a little bit. And the problem that based on the introduction above or the background, we have some problems. They are how is it the result from the methods that we do for select the best location and distribute generation. Two, which methods is the best to select the proper distributed generation location? How is the effect of each method that we use? And limitation of problem, so we cannot discuss far from the identification problem. To make sure that the limitation of problems are the analysis that we do is just to minimize the power loss from electricity distributed, and the software that we use is ETAP for simulate the process and MATLAB to make a calculation process. So in this research, I will use the two application, maybe three. And the first one is the MATLAB to make a calculation process from the method that I used to find the best location distributed generation. And the second one is ETAP, or maybe I will use the OpenDSS. It used it it used to make a simulate to make sure that power loss that we make from the etap is clearly from where the bus bar is the highest power loss. Uh, the purpose of the research from the introduction are to know how the results from each of method that we use. Second one, to know what the best method that we use to produce the lowest power loss. And three, to know what and how much the impact for each of method that we simulate for the power loss in this system. Benefit from the research is we can find the best location for distributed generation to decrease the power loss. So if we install the distributed generation in the right place, we will have the result, the good result by reduce the power loss, so electric consumption will be decreased. And the second one, there is we want to know how much the power loss that we save if we use the distributed generation in every bus bar that we simulate. Research method, I used to research method. There are study literature and experiment process. In study literature, I will find the information and knowledgeable from the journal or manual book that explain about the function of distributed generation. And the second one, find the other method from the journal that we see and compare between 2 or 3 methods, so we can find the distributed generation location that proper to install. The experiment process, I use 2 or 3 application. There are MATLAB for the calculation mathematics, and the ETAP or OpenDSS application for the simulate the system. And study literature, I use STAN journal. There are 7 journal from Indonesia and 3 journal from international in IEEE. The journal explain the function of distributed generation to reduce the power loss. So, but there is some difference between the journals. Each journal has each every method that it used. So the purpose of my research is to compare between 2 or 3 methods. There are PSO, particle swarm optimization. The second one is GA, generic algorithm, and ABC, artificial bee colony. So from the 3 methods, we can find the location of the distributed generation that proper to install. So we can find the power loss that we save from the after we install the distributed generation, and compare, and we can find the best of one from the 3 methods. So it is the result from the research. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully the presentation will explain to you. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.